Hello everybody, got another product here from TOOVREN, and I've done a couple videos on these already, but they sent me another one to do another video on, and they wanted me to kind of do it in a vehicle, so here I am. This is a phone holder, and it's for in your car, and it goes in your cup holder. And this will hold like your tablets and little GPSs and your iPhones and stuff like that. So let me turn my camera around so I can see what I'm doing here, and we'll show it to you. So here it is. This here adjusts, and there's buttons here on the side that you can use, and it'll extend it outward. And this here actually turns, and it locks into place as it turns. You can turn it all the way around. And on the bottom here, it goes in your cup holder, and there's three little arms that pop out. And I will take it out of here and show you. And all you do is twist this here part right here, and it takes them in and out. You just put it back in your cup holder, tighten it up good. And it holds it into place. They also have these little pads that you can put on the little arms that come out to make it grip a little better if you need to. It's just got a sticky back on it. You pull the paper off and stick them on. There's like 6 of them in the box. I will try to stick my phone in here and show you on it. And your phone just latches in like that, and you push up on it and it'll come back out. It's spring loaded up here on top. But these are good little phone holders for in your vehicle, and they're much better than the ones that mount up on your dash and that. I don't really care for those, or the ones that stick in your vents. These are really nice, and like I said, you could put your tablet in them or your GPS, and it makes it hands-free then. But I'll put a link down below to where you can get them at. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button, and have a great day everybody. Bye.